can either do it the nice way or the bad way. I don't care if you're filming me or not. I want you to shut off that camera right now.
Why did I just shut off my camera?
Because police officers have been threatened at their homes and photographs.
Sir, I'm backing up. I'm here for no ill intent. I'm on a public sidewalk recording. Okay. I'm not breaking the law.
Okay.
I'm backing up. I'm staying away from you. I'm asking you to please practice social distance. Okay, but I'm on a public sidewalk, sir. I'm on a public sidewalk.
I don't give grief either.
Okay, but you can't tell me to shut my camera off.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering two videos from the YouTube channel, The Resistance. Please take a moment and head over to his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. The first video took place on June 8th, 2020 in Boston, Massachusetts. And the second video took place on June 2nd, 2020. The auditor was doing a First Amendment audit of a police station in Boston, Massachusetts, when he was approached by a police lieutenant and told that he was not allowed to film a parking lot from a public sidewalk. This lieutenant keeps walking up on the resistance, pushing him back and enforcing his will onto the auditor. In the second video, the resistance was filming outside of a hospital when two security guards take it upon themselves to come out and tell the auditor that he can't film from a public sidewalk either, because it violates the HIPAA regulation. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Well, I appreciate it if you do, because police officers have been threatened.
Well, I'm not going to shut it off. I'm at work right now. I'm sorry. You have a nice day. Ma'am, your name and badge, please.
Yeah, Sean Smith.
All right, thank you.
Smith.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
33 years.
Thank you, Lieutenant. I'm going to stand out here and record.
Well, you stay on the sidewalk.
When you approached me, I was already on the sidewalk. Please stop walking up on me, sir. I'm not doing anything. Why are you walking up on me?
I'm walking on you because I don't want you.
I'm not doing, but you can't tell me not to do that. I'm on a public sidewalk. I'm able to do that. I'm able to do that, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we had the lieutenant approach me, tell me that I'm not able to record. He said he doesn't want me filming anything that's in this parking lot. He's approached me very aggressively. I haven't done anything wrong. I'm just out here on the public sidewalk. It's the resistance, man. This is what I go through. Sir, could you please leave me alone? I'm not doing anything.
Don't follow me.
I'm not following you. I'm on a public sidewalk, sir. I'm on a public sidewalk.
Get out of here.
I need to speak to your supervisor or somebody. I'm being threatened. I'm being threatened. I'm being threatened. You're running me off a public sidewalk, sir. This is the tyranny, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we go through. I'm on a public sidewalk. I'm sorry, you're not gonna come over here and try to arrest me, are you?
No, I'm a lieutenant, but you can have a word with me.
Okay,
listen, here's the deal.
I'm just backing up. I'm not here for any ill intent.
Take your picture?
Yes, no problem.
Fair enough. That's excellent. Thank
No
you
problem.
very much. I appreciate
Cam back, boom. So your lieutenant told me that.
I appreciate it. That's great. We can take your picture.
Your lieutenant told me that. Your lieutenant said that I couldn't record over there. He said I couldn't record over there. I'm on the public sidewalk. No, over here on the public sidewalk.
If you want to do that, you can.
Yeah, he ran me off the sidewalk.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. If you want to right there in front, that's just great.
Well, I need to file a report on him.
For what?
Because he ran me off the sidewalk and he threatened me and told me that I don't need to.
I'm not sure if you know what's going on.
No, I can file a report at any time. I do know that I can file a report at any
I
time.
just told you if you want to stand over there and film.
Okay, but I do want to file a report as well.
Yeah, you can do it online. Online. You may file any complaint.
So I have no access to that lobby right there.
No, you can listen. You can film You can do your complaint online. It's not a problem.
Okay, well, I want to
If
get
you
a
wanna
form
stand
from
over
out the
there,
lobby.
By all means, are you filming plates? Is that the idea?
I'm filming everything in public. I'm recording everything in public.
Well, that's all. We have a picture of you, so we're all set.
That's no problem. So how do I go about filing a report?
Step right over here.
Okay, can I go in the lobby and file a report?
Yeah. What do you want to file a report about?
I want to file a report on the lieutenant who threatened me.
When?
Just now, it's on footage.
That was a threat?
Huh?
By me telling you you.
No, earlier, not you. Listen, earlier.
So I think we've been talking enough. You need to really do something else.
I'm holding you guys accountable. That's what I'm doing.
Positive.
Yeah, holding you accountable. That's positive.
Positive.
That's positive.
Do
I'm,
something nice.
yes, I am. I'm holding you accountable. What part you don't understand?
Thank you.
You're not welcome. You've been very less than helpful. Tyranny at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, say, can you see? What's going on?
Okay, well, we can't actually have you doing any kind of recording around the hospital.
Any reason why?
You can get that out of my face.
Well, you came into my face, so I don't have anything in your
You're on our
face.
property.
Yeah, I was walking around. I didn't see any no trespassing signs to indicate that I was actually on your property. I mean, I do see sidewalks.
Because it's against HIPAA violation.
Okay, YouTube, I need to stop right here and do a quick fact check on the security guard. She just stated that the Resistance can't videotape outside the hospital because it is a HIPAA violation. The HIPAA privacy rule established national standards to protect individuals' medical records and other individual identifiable health information. This is the important part, and it applies to health plans, healthcare clearinghouses, and those healthcare providers that conduct certain healthcare transactions electronically. It does not apply to the Resistance. So if you find yourself in a similar situation, know that HIPAA does not apply to the general public. It is up to the people that it applies to create privacy to protect the healthcare information of the patient.
I seen a sign over there that said buses. I seen a sign. How you doing, sir?
Doing well. How about
Good.
yourself?
I'm doing great. On vacation.
So what exactly are you recording for?
Yeah, that's my personal business. But I seen a sign over there that says buses only. So that is buses only is for the public, right? They go a bus right there,
Okay,
right?
I need you to stop
That's a bus.
recording.
I'm sorry.
You have to stop recording.
Why? I mean, you're not explaining
Because
to me why.
it is illegal to record anything at a hospital. It's against HIPAA.
Okay. Well, I mean, what I'm trying to say is, you're saying HIPAA. HIPAA doesn't apply to me. It applies to the hospital. Wait a minute.
Pictures whatsoever of any patients or anything at all like that, it actually does apply to you.
No, HIPAA doesn't apply to me. It
It
applies
does
to the
because you're
hospital.
on our property.
Male, pink shirt, jeans.
Yeah.
Recording our staff.
So are you trespassing me at this time? Because I do understand that this is your property. The only problem that I have is there's no trespassing signs to say that I'm on private property. So maybe if you could get a supervisor or something
Oh,
to
they're all on
explain.
the way. We got cops and everything coming.
Oh, no problem. I'll wait for him. I just want to know exactly where at am I breaching private property. That's all. Because I was walking, I was looking for signs, and I didn't see any. May I have your name, ma'am?
I have a badge. You're welcome to see it.
Sure. May I see it since you don't want to enunciate
right
it?
there.
There's nothing there. It's just
Too
white.
bad.
But
Who are you?
you come to give me directives and you don't want to tell me who you
We
are?
need you off the property regardless.
Okay, is this a trespass? Are you giving me a
Yes,
verbal?
you're trespassing?
You give me a verbal trespass?
Are you seeking medical attention?
No, I'm not. I was
You
just
are
walking.
trespass. Thank
Actually,
you,
I
sir.
was just walking.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a good day.
I'm going to go this way.
Either way, just
All
go.
right. What's your name? Being as though you verbally trespassed me.
Yes,
just
you are
now?
verbally trespassed. Thank
Okay.
you.
All
Have
right.
a good day.
What's your name, ma'am?
What's yours?
Have a good day.
Keep going. We gotta keep following. You're off property.
Is walking backwards a crime?
No, recording's a crime.
Okay, well, you trespassed me, so I'm leaving. What's the problem?
Thank you.
What did you guys call the cops for?
Because you're trespassing and you're not leaving.
Did I commit a crime? I am leaving. I'm walking off the
I'm not
property
answering you
now.
again. Keep going, please.
Well, I am. I'm walking right now. What's the problem?
Security, this is Ansley.
It's on footage, right?
Keep going.
I'm walking, right?
Keep going. I'm sorry.
I'm walking off the property.
Okay, I've got a black male, pink t-shirt, officer's uniform.
I'm leaving. I don't have a problem leaving. I understand it's private property. I'm just saying you guys need to put some signs up.
It is, yep, gray, orange, and blue, and white New Balance shoes. Light pink, and they are now behind the loading dock.
And make sure you told them that you verbally trespassed me and I am moving off the property. Why didn't you give them that information? Why didn't you tell them that you verbally trespassed me
Keep going.
and I'm moving off the... You get off giving directives, don't you? You get off giving directives, don't you?
How you doing, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, like I said, this is not who living right now. So, that's what we really can do. So, Brent, if it's not the hospital, since he's like standing outside the public area. Yeah, so what they want to do is now.
Hello.
This is just social media.
No, I'm almost there. I just was walking and saw the police.
You three, they're sort of walking out, they're going out. Speed on it.
Looks like they're talking about cameras.
So I'm pretty sure one of you guys right here right now. Yeah. But I know this way not they get standing in the area.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Because anybody, it's open. Anybody can walk. Oh, there. They can walk. This is the gate of some restriction here. But it's wide open. They're filming to some of the private place. Okay. Where was he filming? Where specifically? Okay.
Hey, Mr. Smith.
Okay.
Excellent work.
Yeah. Yeah. My understanding. But right now, it's going to even be more. Imagine, I feel like this. Imagine you got the system with that guy. And say, all right, what really happened? I'll stand in the public area, and these security guards can't get system with me. But I'm saying, well, I think we're fixing scenario. Right? Now, they're going to what we do? We just film inside the hospital. I'm telling you, you gotta go there real quick. Because we live there right now, I guarantee this camera is gonna get more and more and more every day. Unfortunately, this is the time we live in right now. Yeah. I guess I'll say I'll say real on that because if they're standing in the public area, standing to a private area, if they're standing in public, now they're inside this different story. It's the gray area you gotta work with. The hospital wants to take some precautions.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out the Resistance YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please send me an email at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of KYR News, you stay safe out there.